In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, just launch any app that you wish to use in this view. Then you can access it in the background. Hold it and click on this icon between two rectangles and the gear to open it in pop-up view. You can also just click on your app, go into tab menu and use this floating window shortcut. Then click on the tiny window at the top right corner. Now to scale your window, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. When you find the perfect size, let go. To move your window, hold those three dots at the top. By clicking on those dots, you can also close your window, or by clicking on this little icon on the left, use it in full screen view. If you want to turn your window into a bubble, just click on Home button, hold that tiny window and drag it to the side. To open it again, click on the bubble, then on a tiny window. If you wish to use this app in full screen view thanks to this lower line, just drag it all the way down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!